In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to N8N. By the end, you'll have a workflow that listens for PayPal events and can kick off automations the moment something happens, like a successful payment or a refund. Start by opening your N8N workspace in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions so you can create and edit workflows. If you're working in a team environment, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct project before you begin. From the N8N dashboard, click Create a Workflow to open a fresh canvas. Give your workflow a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, especially if you'll be adding more PayPal automations over time. You'll see an empty canvas with the node panel ready for you to add your first building block. Next, search for PayPal and add the PayPal trigger node to the canvas. A trigger node is what starts the workflow. In this case, it will listen for events from PayPal and fire whenever those events occur. Think of it like your doorbell for payments. When PayPal rings, the workflow wakes up. After adding the node, you can choose which event types you want to respond to, such as when an order is approved or a payment is completed. Pick the events that match the kind of automation you're planning. Now it's time to connect your credentials. Open the Credentials section on the PayPal trigger node and create a new set of credentials. You'll be asked for your PayPal API details, typically a client ID and secret, and you'll select the environment, Sandbox or Live. If you're just testing, Sandbox is the safer choice. Switch to Live only when you're confident everything is working. Keep these values secure and never share them publicly. If the interface provides a test or check connection button, use it to confirm N8N can talk to PayPal successfully. Once everything looks good, save the credentials, attach them to the PayPal trigger node if they aren't already, and then save your workflow. At this point, your workflow is linked to PayPal and ready to listen for the events you selected. From here, you can add whatever actions you need after the trigger, like sending a notification, updating a database, or creating a task in your internal tools. If something doesn't fire, double-check that you chose the correct environment, that your credentials are valid, and that the event type you selected actually occurs in your PayPal account activity. Save your changes, and you're all set to automate.